Hello, my friends. My name's Chef Kim Sutherland, and welcome to the restaurant. Today, using Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we're making a delicious rustic apple fritter. Cut the apples into small cubes. Combine dry batter mix with sugar and cinnamon. Slightly whisk egg and add to dry batter mix. Add water. Stir batter until all ingredients are combined. Add the apples and stir until evenly coated. Spoon the mixture into the deep fryer. Fry until golden brown. When fritters are floating, remove with a spider and allow excess oil to drain off. Plate the fritters and dust with icing sugar and cinnamon. I like to drizzle mine with maple syrup, but feel free to get creative with your favorite sauce. These rustic apple fritters are an easy and delicious addition to any menu. Thank you so much for joining me today in the kitchen. I hope we've inspired you to get creative with your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. I look forward to seeing you next time on the line.